Hey guys, today we're looking at the new series of DeWalt Hammers. They have a whole line of hammers that they just came out with, the biggest thing about them is that they've worked on them and got vibration dampening in them.
This would be 35% less vibration, they say, than a standard
steel hammer.
And then the grip is actually a little bit better. Feels really good in the hand. They say it's improved by 25%. And it also kind of wicks your sweat away from it, so
so you don't
woo.
Yeah. So they have them in all kinds of different sizes. Looking at here, they got a 22-ounce framing hammer. Some of the features between the two: this one is the powder-coated finish. They also have a painted finish as it goes, and then
this one is a hardened steel.
Hardened steel. Yep. So as you can see here, there's like the tri-pole system on there, so that's sometimes it's easier to get on the nail and pull it this way, or staples. This is actually really good for removing staples.
Yeah, and then in the little ones for like the little finishing nails.
Yeah. So
you have more options for how you want to pull it, which is nice.
They do have combinations available for smooth face and milled. So for you got options there if you like the milled face or you need the smooth face.
And then they have the nail holder right here, where it magnifies, and you can just start it off like that, which is popping up everywhere. Everybody's doing it now. Nowadays.
And then they have different variation in handle size. So here you got the old axe handle, or you have a straight handle type variation as well. Between them. So a lot of different options. Some of the specialty hammers that they came out with in this series, you have the bricklayer hammer, which has the end cut here, so if you need to cut a brick to fit in there, you can do that easy. And then you got the hammer part of it.
We have the little baby sledge. This has a concentrated strike force, so they give you 2 times more power, they say, because there's less surface area, so you're hitting harder.
Yeah, it's much like the face that they have on the big sledges.
The big sledges. So for this little dead blow right here, they have that on there, and then they also have a normal side. And then similarly, like they did on the big axes, they have the scallop cutting edges on here, so there's less surface area. So when you're pulling your axe out of the wood, it's a lot easier because there's less friction. There's a nice little cover on here to protect it from cutting up all your other camping supplies or whatever else.
So yeah, there are a lot of cool options available right now on Toolbarn.com. Go out and get yourself a new hammer.
There you go.